I am a 32-year-old woman in California, and I'm starting a vlog about my weight loss journey. I've started this journey 5 years ago, and the biggest hurdle I had to overcome was finding an insurance that would accept me or some way to pay for it. We'd opted for out-of-pocket, but $35,000 to $45,000 is a lot of money to come up with. And in 5 years, one thing or another always came in, death in the family or bills or whatever, where I couldn't save that much money. And there was this issue at work where we thought we were going to get medical, and that kind of fell through a little, so that really sucked. And I was really upset over it, and my best friend at the time went online and she searched high-risk medical insurance, and we came across a lot of scams, but she also came across something which, if you're in California, this will be helpful if you're having the same problem as I am with insurance and having to pay out of pocket. It's actually called the MRMIP, which is the California Major Risk Medical Insurance Program. And I will give a link up there, I believe, for the website for you to go to. But there is a packet that you download and you read through it, and it explains whether or not you qualify for this program. I am 32 and I am around 400, give or take a couple of pounds. I fluctuate. And so obviously and medical insurance is not possible for someone like me, and since my job at this time does not offer it, I was kind of up the creek without a paddle. But anyway, we went on this site and we downloaded it and we read it through, and there's something like you can't qualify for Medi-Cal or Medicare, and you cannot qualify for medical within your company. And so that pretty much like spoke to me. I'm not old and I'm not on welfare where I can qualify for these medical programs already offered. So I filled out the paperwork that's in the back of this packet. Sorry, my printer was running out of ink, so it's all funky, but it's at the back of this packet, and it's about maybe 5 pages long. And I sent it in, and I sent it in on the beginning of January, and when I called to talk to someone from this department, they said there was a 2-month waiting list. Well, the thing is I sent it in like maybe the middle of January, and I got a response back like the 1st of March. So that was pretty amazing, and I didn't have to wait that long. The route I went was you also have to file a letter saying that you've been declined by insurance companies in your area. So I called Blue Cross, and I talked to a lady there, and she said I would definitely be declined. So to fill out the MRMIP paperwork and send it to her along with the first month's check that you're going to be charged, which, yes, is a little high, but let's face it, $600 a month is a lot better than trying to come up with $45,000 on your own. So I sent in the check and the paperwork, and I didn't hear anything back, and I was getting kind of nervous because I should have at least heard whether I was on the waiting list or not. And just as I was about to call Brenda, who was the lady that I took to from Blue Cross, I got a letter from Anthem right here, and along with a card. I don't know if you can see, probably not because my webcam is crappy, and telling me that I now have coverage starting 3 months from April 1st, so that would be July 1st. But it was amazing because for the first time in like 10 years I've had medical insurance. So Anthem got back to me before the program did, and about 3 days later I got a packet in the mail from Anthem with a little booklet of all the information and whatnot. And then the day after that I got a letter from the government, and they gave me some really good information, but apparently I'm on it, and so in 3 months time I can start doing the next leg of my journey. I hope that this information has been helpful for someone. Like I said, if anyone's in California that's gone through the same thing I have, then you totally know how I feel, and hopefully this helps you out. Thanks. Bye.